While children don't fall into the most vulnerable category for COVID-19 infection, they are experiencing mental health issues at the same rate, if not more, than adults.
That's what KXAN's Maggie Glynn heard in Capitol Committee meeting today. She reports on what psychiatrists are asking state lawmakers to consider to help Texas children in the upcoming legislative session.
Sadly, we have seen the number of children admitted secondary to a suicide attempt double over the past 5 years.
Dr. Kia Carter with Cook Children's Hospital says the most difficult part for kids over the last few months is isolation.
A lot of our kids become hopeless, give up, not want to continue with virtual schooling because it's so hard for them to engage or interact or get the support that they need.
Other emotional outlets have also been limited.
We promote healthy ways to cope with stressors or difficulties, and a lot of that is kids participating in their sports, their activities, whether it be, and that's all kind of been stripped away from them.
But one positive of the pandemic is increased access to telehealth services.
In our outpatient clinic, the numbers of no-shows decreased significantly when telehealth was offered.
Dr. Carter and other mental health experts asked lawmakers to extend those services today.
Extend the waivers temporarily through the end of session. Give the legislature time to weigh this and extend them out, make them permanent.
And they're asking lawmakers to consider increasing mental health funding overall this session for preventative measures and treatment options.
We know that early identification, intervention, and treatment is essential to prevent further complications of mental illness.
Maggie Glynn, KXAN News.
Dr. Carter is also asking state senators to consider giving mental health care providers more leverage with insurance companies.
The city of Austin has a 24-hour mental health hotline for people struggling to cope with the pandemic and life as we currently know it. It's free and available in English, Spanish, and more than 150 other languages. Call 888-855-7483.